of our sets. We've seen in the previous examples and exercise that rational exponents are closely related to sets. So the rational exponents are actually closely related to the set. It is often useful to write a set in exponential notation as it allows us to use the exponential laws. The additional laws listed below make simplification sets easy. So rule number one, we have a degree which is n, and we have another degree which is n, and we have an a and b. So if there are two sets with the same degree, you're gonna take that one and multiply it inside a radical. As you can, inside a radical, you're gonna take those radical and multiply them, and then all equals to the same degree. Okay, the next one. We have a degree outside, we have a over b. You're gonna take everything into their own square root, into their own radical sides, which in case you're gonna say same number of exponents is n to the square root of a all over and the square root of b. Okay, the next one we have degree which is m. We have two square roots. We have this one and this one. If we have two square roots, you gotta know that degree have to multiply one another. The degrees will have to actually multiply one another. The next one is we have a degree, we have exponent to the power, which is the square root of a to the power of m, which in case you're gonna put an n to the bottom and then m to the top. And will go to the bottom and m will go to the top. So we have n, outside we have an m. So n, if outside of brackets we have an m, and then inside of brackets we have a degree which is n and the radical, and then a radical number which is a, which is to the square. And then you gotta take a and then make the m to the top and then n the radical to the bottom. Same as this one. They're actually the same. Actually the same, actually the same, actually the same. So those two are exactly the same. The one thing that you gotta remember is this one. If you have two square roots, those degree will multiply one another and we're left with 8. And then if you have the bigger square root, which is we have a numerator and the denominator, everything you're gonna take it to their own square roots. The numerator will have their own square root and then the denominator will have their own square root, all the and the same degree, which is this one. And we also have this one. If we have the same degree like this, you're gonna multiply the a's and the b's, and they will use the same degree.